Welcome to another edition of JavaScript for You. This morning I wanted to go back to what we were looking at yesterday and just emphasize one thing: how you invoke functions based on events that are happening. Now, some of the more common ones you get into is you have a selector here in JQuery, so it's whatever I want to use based on what we went through yesterday, followed by click, double click, focus, mouse over, a whole bunch of other ones. If you go to the W3 schools, you can look up a reference to all of these, so there's a ton of events you can handle. But the basic form is this: jQuery selector dot whatever function, and then followed by your function. So to go back to our page, if we go over here, notice the way I've done this. I've got a button down here, and this is a jQuery button. I come up here, I have my button.click function. So whenever the button is clicked, this function will be invoked. If I wanted to do this on an href, I could do a selector for a specific kind of href, and whenever it's clicked, I could do that. I could do this for mouse over, so I could have different kinds of rollover effects. And you can see the way you can expand this depending on what you want your page to do. You can have event handlers for just about anything that might occur on that page for any specific attribute, or element rather, that you could pick using your selector syntax. And that's why jQuery is so heavily used. You can use XPath or the things I went through yesterday to select individual things on the page and then have jQuery functions invoked on various events. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with JavaScript.